Like flowers before the opening to the sun above. Melt the clouds of sin and sadness, drive the dark of doubt away. Giver of immortal gladness, fill us with the light of day. Reflect the rays, stars and angels sing around the center of unbroken praise. Field and forest, valley and mountain, flowery meadow, flashing sea, singing bird and flowing fountain, call us to rejoice in thee. Joyful, joyful, we adore thee, God of glory, Lord of love. Hearts unfold like flowers before thee, opening to the sun above. Melt the clouds of sin